How to use Google Chat's Smart Reply feature. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to chat.google.com, or you can also open the Google Chat app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and download and install this app on your device. Once you have installed this application, tap on the open option. Then you want to sign into your Google account, and then you are automatically going to be signed into your Google Chat account as well. Now, the Google Chat Smart Reply feature suggests quick responses based on the context of the conversation. If you want to enable it, simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings option. Now here under the general section, you're going to find the option of Smart Reply. You simply want to toggle this option on. Once you have toggled this option on, it is going to show you suggested replies on the mobile when available. Now you can simply open up any conversation or start any new conversation with someone. Then begin typing your message in the chat box as you normally would. As you type, you're going to find three suggested responses appear over the text input box. These suggestions are generated based on the context of the conversation and the message you are composing. You want to review these suggested responses and click on one of them to insert it into the chat. Alternatively, you can continue typing your own message if none of these suggestions fit. And this is basically how you can use the Google Chat Smart Reply feature to help you respond quickly to messages without having to type out a full response each time. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.